Guys, bagong-bagong balita. Si Marcelito Pomoy, yung ano yan, yung pambabae panlalaki ang boses. Nasa America's Got Talent. Panoorin natin, guys. Guys, ngayon ko lang nakita. Si Marcelito nasa America's Got Talent. Ay, the champion. So, kailangan natin itong mapanood, guys. Samahan niyo ako, guys.
Husband and wife?
Oh my God.
Okay, and just tell me your names, please.
My name is Marcelito Pomoy.
Marcelito.
Yeah.
And you are?
I am Joanne Pomoy.
Si Simon,
Ano
yung
ba
sikat
yung
na...
They're both from
Basta yung apat.
Now, you're not the actor, are you?
not.
Okay.
So, the reason why I'm here
Yung asawa, kasama.
all throughout.
Okay, good.
My husband, you know, he has very hard life in the Philippines, but then he won the Philippines Got Talent.
Madrama yung intro.
Yes.
What year?
2011.
Legit naman yun. Alam naman natin na ganun talaga yung
My
previous
mother
situation ni
and
Marcelito.
My father was
Sana
in jail.
manalo siya.
I was all my
Pilipinas to eh. Pilipinas na naman ang banderang dinadala ni Marcelito.
When I was scared, I was sing. One day, I saw the show Philippines Got Talent. I thought that's the way I can find my family. I was hoping they would see me sing.
Oh my God.
After my audition aired, the whole country was trying to find my family. During the finals, my family is there.
The grand winner, Marcelito!
It was the greatest moment of
Sana mag-open to ng magandang oportunidad na ma-recognize siya sa Amerika, gaya nila Charis, kagaya nila, sino pa ba, mga Arnel Pineda. Ipag-pray natin, guys, na kumbaga magkaroon talaga to ng oportunidad na makilala talaga siya or manalo siya dito sa ano na to?
my life because my family is there. My life changed.
Ano kayong kakantahin niya?
I went from living on the street, so now I'm a famous.
Marcelito Pomoy became a trending topic on Twitter, not only in the Philippines, but around the world.
The whole country was talking about me. But the best part, I met my wife, Joanne, and now we have a daughter.
May baby na sila.
Going to cry again. America's Got
Oh my
Talent is the
God.
biggest
America's
stage
Got
in the world.
Talent.
So, I feel nervous.
Kinakabahan ako.
Very. I want to show the world I am a winner.
Sana manalo ka. Sana manalo ka.
I'm going to ask
Para
you
sa
one last question.
Pilipinas.
Are you here to win it?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Good.
Sana manalo ka. Sana manalo.
Let's do this.
Sana manalo. Oh my God. The Prayer ang kanta.
That's it.
Hindi ko kilala yung mga mga judges. Pero putik. Ayan na. Yan na. Tumayo na yung mga audience. Tumayo na yung mga audience. Yung paglilipat, Diyos ko. May tumayo ng judge. Sino yun? Hindi ko kilala. Ang galing, ganda. Putik eh. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang linis pa. Putik. Standing ovation. Oh my God. Oh my.
I was not expecting that voice. Oh my
Oh.
That was so unique. You are a beautiful, wonderful singer with a young woman trapped inside of you.
Thank you so much.
Amazed na amazed sila.
I want to see something different, something unique, and Marcelito, you just gave that to us. It was absolutely brilliant.
Incredible. Incredible.
Honestly, this is one of the craziest things I've ever heard in my entire life. Your voice, your range, your sound is just so out of this world.
Marcelito, Marcelito. Paano pag na-golden buzzer siya?
Ali, you actually should do it. I think it'd be amazing. You are so worthy of the Golden Buzzer, and I think you're one of the most incredible singers. But this is very early in the night, and I can only choose one. So I'm gonna keep my Golden Buzzer.
Oh my
It's up
God.
to our super fans, and I hope they vote you through.
Oh my God.
That was what I call a 10. As simple as that.
Wow.
I have a feeling that the super fans will put you through to the next round.
Come on, Superfan.
Oh my God. Ano yung super fans?
Hi, YouTube. It's me.
Wala siyang golden
Make
buzzer.
sure to subscribe because up
Pero may sinasabi silang super fans. Ano kaya yun? Abangan natin kung ano ang pwedeng maitulong ba. Pero diba sana magkaroon siya ng chance na ma-recognize. Wala na golden buzzer kasi maaga pa daw. Pero well, antayin natin. Ipag-pray natin na ano, go for Pilipinas, go Marcelito. Suportahan ka namin kung ano yung pwede na masuporta sa social media. Ang tabayanan natin para ma-share natin yung mga videos niya saka yung hashtag. Oh my gosh. Sana talaga manalo siya.